Hello friends, welcome on my channel Salna Guide. This side Nick the tech guy, and today I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on a computer. So let's start it. So first of all, what you need to do, you just have to click bottom left corner at here, and inside the search box you have to type here Sniping tools. Alright, now it is open here. Click on Sniping tools, and once you open it, so we have here four way we can take a screenshot, like free from snipping, rectangular snipping, windows snipping, and full screen snipping. So it's up to you, which one you want to take. So I'll just go with the simple one. Let's suppose we want to take a rectangular snip. So let me show you how you can take it. So the rectangular snipping will be in the form of rectangular shape, and yeah, you will be a rectangular shape, and there are three another, they are on different shape, like windows snipping, full screen snipping, and free from snipping. So these are the four options you can have on it. And let me check the options. With the options you can select the color, and you know hide the instruction text, and some other option is here. So you can adjust all these things as for your requirement. So let me cancel it. Now let me minimize this also. So first of all, as let me repeat the step again. First you have to click on the start button, then you have to click here, search program and file, and type your snip, and then click on a snipping tool here. And once you open it, click on new, and then you will be able to take any kind of a snip. Like last time we take a rectangular, if I want to take full screen snip, so it will take your it will capture your full computer screen. So let me close this. So guys, today I just guide you how to take a screenshot using a snipping tool in a computer. If you like this videos, please subscribe. Please, if you like the videos, please subscribe the channel, and also like the channel, share the share it, and also if you find this videos helpful for you, please comment below. And if you have any other suggestion, also comment that, so that I can get back with you on your suggestion. Thank you, and goodbye.